closed and lofted sounds. The vowels are phonetically open.
Yeah.
When did I fall in love?
When did I fall in love?
Oh, what a cute little puppy.
Oh, what a cute little puppy.
Does that feel thick or thin?
Thin.
Give me a little bit of this and this. Good. What's that like?
Light, but some weight to it? I don't know.
Some body to it, yeah.
Yeah.
Separating out
Yeah.
your filter versus what's happening at the vocal fold level.
When did respect first become affection? When did respect first become affection?
Good. Now try this with me.
When?
There you go.
When did respect first become affection?
I go.
So.
Okay. Can you show me a crescendo
Yeah.
like that?
Suddenly stop.
Yeah. Now we're gonna keep this relatively stable, and we're gonna instead extend out this way. There you go. Now we're just gonna play
Until the end of my life. Until the end of my life.
good.
And promise me you won't take a breath. Yes. Until